Hey everyone, this is Jonathan Tinoco and I have 3 simple tips for you before you start to trade and to invest in cryptocurrencies. First tip for you is allocate not more than 10% of your investment fund in cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, because most of us, reason bakit gusto natin pumasok sa industry dahil one thing, we want to earn. But unfortunately, hindi natin alam kung ano possible na mangyari because since Bitcoin is speculative, you don't want to put all your money at risk. So that's why it's very important to only put at least 10% of your investment fund in cryptocurrency. So, kung sakali man na Bitcoin could, bumagsak ng zero, so at least hindi lahat ng fund mo nawala. And also, by doing that, magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag na peace of mind, and at the same time, by putting small portion of your fund, hindi mo kailangan mayat-maya tignan yung merkado, observe the market, check the chart from time to time, check the price of Bitcoin every day. The second tip is apply 90-10 rule. 90-10 rule means, let's say ang allocated fund mo sa cryptocurrency ay 10,000. You only use 10% of your fund if you want to buy Bitcoin. And the reason for that is because, let's say, ang current price ng Bitcoin ngayon ay 500,000. Now, kung ginamit mo yung 10,000 pesos mo para ibili lahat yun ng Bitcoin, and that's your 10% allocated fund. Now, what if bumagsak yung Bitcoin ng 450,000, 400,000, 350,000? My question for you is, paano ka pa bibili kung naubos na yung fund mo at ginamit mo lahat ng fund mo para ibili ng Bitcoin? And also, if you're a trader, by applying this strategy, let's say, you only put 10% of your fund at nagkamali ka ng analyze mo sa market, so at least, if everything goes wrong, meron ka pa rin 90% para magamit ulit to position a new trade or to invest again in cryptocurrency. By also applying this strategy, it helps you to put your emotion away. Because remember that in investing and in trading, you should always remove your emotion out of the game. Because ang tanging kalaban mo lamang dito ay yung sarili. So, it means, pag natalo ka, naubos yung pera mo, that's your fault. But if you win, of course, that's also your fault. That's why the 90-10 rule is very important, it's very powerful because it gives you a protection. So, pinoprotektahan ito yung fund mo para hindi lahat maubos. And lastly, my last tip for you is avoid chasing hype. Now, I'm sure the reason ba't ka pumasok sa cryptocurrency industry is because you want to earn. But, here's the thing. We, as human being, meron tayong character na ayaw natin na napag-iiwanan, ayaw natin na nahuhuli on a certain aspect na kung saan, let's say for example, sa cryptocurrency na lang, you might be a member of a certain group, forum, channel, and from time to time, baka nagbabasa ka ng mga reports or analysis na ibang mga traders or investors in cryptocurrency, and suddenly, you saw this news or you saw this analysis na etong Bitcoin tataas to on a certain period of time or maybe right after an hour, after a minute. So, because you've heard it, nakita mo, nabasa mo na tataas ang Bitcoin, so ang ginawa mo, without really doing anything, you didn't analyze the market, naniwala ka on what the person said, you position a trade. Dahil takot ka na mapag-iwanan, then you enter your position. Then, what happened next? Na-realize mo na lang na sana hindi ka pala pumasok kasi the market goes on the other side. Sa madaling salita, what happened there was na FOMO ka, or FOMO means fear of missing out. Dahil takot ka na mapag-iwanan, so ang ginawa mo, you position immediately, you place an order, you buy Bitcoin, then suddenly, boom, bigla na lang bumagsak yung market. So that's why it's very important to have a trading plan and of course, to execute your trading plan. And before I end this video, here's my bonus tip for you. Attend trainings, attend seminars, attend workshops for you to improve your trading, your investment skills in cryptocurrency. Because majority of us, dahil gusto natin kumita na mabilis, we tend to look for things that will give us immediate results. So that's why, tendency at the end of the day, we tend to lose all of our money. So that's why, look for a mentor, look for an organization, look for a coach that will guide you, an organization, attend meetups, attend bootcamps, para mapataas yung skill level mo, your mastery, your knowledge, and at the same time, you increase your confidence. So, if you think this video has helped you, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe kung nakatulong sa ito. Don't forget to share this to your loved ones to your friends, especially if you're a first-timer, especially kung may mga kakilala ka na nagsisimula pala sa industry, please don't forget to share this video to them. If you also want to attend our future events, visit the description box below for more details. Please also subscribe in our YouTube channel in the description box below para pag meron kami mga future videos, next videos, instantly pwede mo agad ito mapanood. So, this is Jonathan Tinoco signing off. See you in the next video.